Hey, it's BrickTsar. We're going to look at another vintage Lego set that's sealed in the box, and we are going to take it out of the box. This set is from the year 2000. It's set 1198. It's the German Telekom Service Team. We have already looked at two German Telekom sets. Now this will be the third. We got one more to look at after this. So this is one of my favorite little themes they did. It was in conjunction with the Tour de France. They made 4 sets, and they had the dark pink bicycle. So these are the only sets that you can get the dark pink bicycle, and as the sets get bigger you get more bicycles. This one also comes with other neat little accessories. So we're going to open it up and see what the wheels look like. The last few older sets that I've opened, the wheels have been kind of oily, and so being the set is 14 years old, it'll probably be the same with these. But the back of the box shows you the other sets. We have looked at this one and we've looked at that one, and now we're doing this one. That'll be the next one we'll do, the bigger one with all the bicycles. These are supposed to be Tour de France dudes. Alright, there's the inside. There's the sticker sheet for the riders. The wheels are not bad. Pretty good, pretty good. So let's get this thing built. Here is the completed set. I gotta say, I just love these German Telekom, Deutsche Telekom, whatever you want to call them, T-Mobile sets. They are really cool. The minifigures for the bikers are the same as in the other sets. Sticker torso, the black hat, and spandex pants, pink shirt. I love the pink. Love getting the pink bicycles. We'll do a close-up of these. You got a little service area, and then you got the water bottles and bananas, which are very key. So let's look at the minifigures first. So here are the Team Telekom bike riders. Just love the pink. You know they have kickstands. No, they don't. Sticker torsos. The dark pink bicycle. Gotta love it. And this guy is supposed to be some kind of bike mechanic, I believe. Shades and all. So here's the area where they work on the bikes. This guy's, oh, I got a flat. Will you fix my flat? Or will you give me a quart of oil? I got a power drill. Do you need that? And I think this is the air tank right there. And then they can wash the bicycle also. And that's the 1x16 there. That is a stickered piece. And that white beam, new in the box, 14 years old, is already faded. So I know I've had this with some other vintage sets that I've opened. You get discoloration even inside a box. And I thought this little stand here, that was a good touch, where the bikers, they speed by and they can grab a banana and a water bottle. And I like, it's got the medium blue. You don't see the medium blue 1x1 round brick in a lot of sets, so that's pretty cool. And you get 4 bananas. And the bananas, they help you recharge or something, the potassium, carbs, I don't know what's in them, but they're good for you when you're biking. So there you have it, the Team Telekom set. Really like this set. 2 bikers with service tools, service team. These don't really have official names, so that's why I'm kind of just saying all that. But this was a very nice promotion that they had. The time I bought these, you could still get them relatively inexpensively. I bought all of mine from one buyer. I don't even remember who I bought it from. It was so long ago, but I know I had about 5 sets. There were 4 different sets. I bought 2 of the little ones, and then all the others. So we still got the big one to go, which is got some nice features to it as well. But this is another Lego review, a vintage one. And thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and check out the videos for the other reviews that I've done for the German Telekom. I'm partial to these sets because, number one, it's phone related, telecom related, and number two, it's bicycle related, which I love both of those things. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.